Welcome to part 15, launching the dashboard with Notebook running. So before we look at the code in dashboard.py, we're going to launch the real dashboard so that we can have a reference to it while we're going through the code. So one issue that can arise is if you attempt to launch the dashboard while Jupyter Dash is running in the notebook. If you do so, you'll get an error, and I'm going to show you how to correct it. So let's hop over here to our command line. I've already CD'd into the project directory and activated the virtual environment, which means I can just call python dashboard.py and it should launch the dashboard, except what you'll see here is that it says address already in use. And what is happening is that your local host at port 8050, which is what Dash uses for the dashboard, is already in use. And it's in use because Jupyter Dash is running. Now, there is a port parameter that you can use to set a specific port other than 8050, which is the default. So that's one way of getting around it, and you can set that with the run server command. But another way is just to shut down the notebook over here, or shut down the kernel. So the kernel is just the underlying Python executable that is running. And if we just say kernel restart, or restart and clear, or you can just shut it down completely, it will wipe away all of the active variables, so it won't know that anything is running. It'll just be like starting a new notebook from scratch. So here I'm just going to click restart. So this restarts the kernel. That means all the variables that were set are lost, and that means it's shut down the Jupyter Dash instance. So if we go over here and we just rerun the same line, then our dashboard should show up. So let's go ahead and navigate there, and we can see our fully functioning dashboard. All right, so that's what you can do if you have Jupyter Dash running at the same time.